Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and today I wanted to share with you a program that I love, which is Canva. It's an online web-based free graphic design program, and it's very simple to use, and so I just wanted to show you kind of some of the basics and show you around. If you are not a member of Canva yet, it is free, and I joined join through Facebook. You can just go straight to canva.com and join. It's super fast, really easy, no credit card or anything like that. And that's just full of some wonderful free designs and stuff to use. So if you do any kind of designing, even of your web pages or landing pages, anything like that, it's really phenomenal. So let's take a look at it here. Under Create a Design here, it shows a lot of the pre-made designs that Canva has already created for us. So they have Pinterest pins, presentations, logos, Instagram posts, and it goes on and on. You can arrow over here, and they have business cards, brochures. I mean, it is just really phenomenal and just endless, the things that you can do within the Canva program. And I will continue to create these videos and share them with you. But for today, let's go back to a Pinterest pin, and I'll just show you a little bit of an example of some things that you can do. Okay, so first of all, when you click on like Pinterest pin or presentation or whatever you decide you're going to work on, over to the left are a whole bunch of pre-made designs that Canva has already made for you that we are free to use and edit and change in any way that we want. So the way that you get them over there, let's pick one. Let's just pick a simple one here. You can take this and drag it over, and it just fills the space perfectly. Okay, so then you want to change this up and make it be your own. We're just using this design. We're not really using this graphic as it is. So let's say we want to change this here to, how about, let's say that you're a realtor and you want to do open house, viewing. I don't know if that's the right terminology for a realtor, but we'll say that. Okay, so then this picture, we want to make it be the house. So the way you do that is you double click that, and then let's go over here to uploads. And I'll show you how to upload an image. So let's say that you have, you've taken your picture and you have it in your downloads or your documents or wherever you have it stored on your computer of this house. So then you go here and you click upload, and you go to where that picture is, whether you have it in your iCloud drive. We'll just say that it's in the iCloud drive, just because I know I have some pictures here. And I'm going to go to Barnes, which probably isn't very appropriate for this title, but we'll say this anyway. Okay. So let's just take this one and see if it will upload. It looks like it's going to upload. I think 25 megabyte is the largest picture that you can use. So if you've taken a picture with your camera or your iPhone, it might be larger than that. You might need to scale down the size a little bit to get it to come in. But anyway, it looks like it's going to load here for us. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag that picture, once that bar has finished, drag this picture over here and place it into the pin. Okay, and so then if I don't like exactly the way it is sitting in there, if you double click, then you can move that image around so that you can set it just exactly the way that you want it within your graphic. Okay, so then you can double click this. Now when you click on this, you can see that these are grouped by those dots, that they're grouped there. You can ungroup them and then move this around or move it clear out or whatever. I'm just going to get rid of the words on there. And then here I'm just going to type join us just for something to put in there. But anyway, that's how easy it is to change the graphics on an image. So then you just download that and upload it to your website or whatever media you want to use. Okay, so before we leave, there's one more thing that I wanted to show you, and that was where to get stock images. Obviously, in this example, we're a real estate agent, so you're taking the picture yourself. But let's say that you're doing a blog post and you just need a stock image of some food or something. Okay, so first of all, you can go over here on the left and you can type in food. And Canva itself has a multitude of images that you can use. And then, of course, you would just edit the text here to whatever you want. So images of anything. Let's say you're a car dealer and you want just a generic picture of some kind of a car. You can search cars. You can search, literally you can search anything. There's junk cars. You can search absolutely anything that you want and just fill that in by bringing it over to your graphic. And again, if you double click, then you can adjust the image to where you want it. Okay, so even though there are thousands of pictures here, there are also other sites online that will give you free pictures. Some of those are Pixabay and Morgue Files. Let's go to Morgue Files and I will show you how to download a picture from there and bring it into Canva. So let's just go car and let's just take this one just because. Okay, so this is the down arrow. So I am downloading. There it comes into my downloads. Okay, so let's go back to my design. And then here I'm going to go upload and upload my image. Okay, I told Pixabay to save it to downloads, or Morgue Files, I guess I used. Okay, so then double click it and you'll see it loading here. It's bringing it in. Okay, now I'm going to show you just a little bit of a trick here that I like to use. Since this is a free image from Morgue File, really anybody can use it. So there could be thousands of people using the same image. So I always like to teach people to make it just look a little bit different. Okay, so fortunately in Canva, you can do that very easily. First of all, you can go to Effects here and you can just change the coloring of it very easily. Okay, another thing that you can do is double click on it and move it around like we talked about before. I don't know why it's not moving. There, the computer is just a little bit slow. Okay, the other thing that you can do is take these handles here and make it, pull it out large so that you have a completely different view than anybody else would have, because the other people now, they had a picture of the car that was at a further distance. So that looks completely different than the image that we downloaded. So that is just a little trick in resizing and changing effects up here. You can also filter for a real quick change of color and go to grayscale. So there's a lot that you can do just within Canva. You can also go to adjust and you can do a blur, and we'll play with kind of some of that stuff as we get on with the videos. But today I just wanted to give you a really quick introduction, show you a few little tricks of things that you can do. So I hope this video is helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.